In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a contractor in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're just getting started or looking to streamline your financial processes, adding a contractor efficiently can save you time and ensure your accounts are accurate. Let's dive right in. First, if you haven't already, sign up for a QuickBooks account by visiting the QuickBooks website. For those who are new to QuickBooks, signing up is straightforward and gives you access to a host of financial tools tailored for managing your business finances. If you already have an account, simply go to QuickBooks Online and click on the Sign In button. You'll enter your account credentials to gain access to your dashboard. Once signed in, you'll be directed to enter your account. Click on Continue to move to the next step and be sure to enter your password when prompted. After entering your password, hit Continue again to move along. After successfully logging in, you'll need to select the company file you want to work with. This is crucial because any changes or setups you'll do will be applied to the company file you pick. Now head over to your dashboard by finding the dashboard option in your navigation. Once in the dashboard, navigate to the payroll overview. This section is your one-stop hub for managing all payroll-related activities, and it's where you'll be setting up your contractor. Within Payroll, locate the Contractors section. Clicking on this option will take you to an interface designed for managing contractors. To add a contractor to your team, find the Add Contractors to the Team option. If this is your first time adding a contractor, you might see an option that says Add Your First Contractor. Choose this and you'll be taken to a form where you can input essential contractor details. Begin by entering the contractor's name. Remember, accuracy here is important, as this information will be used throughout your financial records and reporting. Next, enter the contractor's email address. QuickBooks will use this to send necessary communications, so make sure it's correctly typed. Once you've entered all the required information, review it to ensure there are no mistakes. When you're satisfied with the data you've input, click on the Add Contractor button. This action saves the contractor's details in your QuickBooks system, effectively linking them with your business finances and payroll processes. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a contractor in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you can manage your contractors more effectively, ensuring seamless transactions and accurate record keeping. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips on using QuickBooks to its fullest potential.